To cook frozen shrimp, first, take the shrimp out of the bag and place them in a colander or strainer. Place the colander or strainer in a bowl filled with cool water and wait 10 to 15 minutes for the shrimp to thaw. Don't use warm water since it can affect the shrimp's texture. Once they're thawed, transfer the shrimp to a paper towel and pat them dry. To boil the shrimp, bring a pot of water to a boil and cook the shrimp in it until they float to the surface of the water, which can take anywhere from 2 to 7 minutes depending on their size. Drain the shrimp in a colander and enjoy. You can also broil shrimp in the oven. Set the broiler to high heat and toss the shrimp in some seasonings like salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Spread them out on a non-stick baking sheet and broil them for 5 to 8 minutes. You'll know when they're done when they turn a pale pink color with some browning on the edges.